Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. I hope you all have understood about the formation of soil. Today I am going to discuss next topic, that is layers of soil. Now open your book on page 100. Before going to start, first I will discuss the term that will come in this topic, that is sand. The fine particles formed on breaking of rocks. Now let's start reading. Layers of soil. Soil has 4 layers. They are topsoil, subsoil, weathered parent material and bedrock. Number 1 is topsoil. Plants grow in topsoil. Many tiny animals live in this layer of soil. The soil is loose and soft in this layer. Students, there are 4 layers of soil. These are topsoil, subsoil, weathered parent material and bedrock. Topsoil. It provides nutrients to growing plants and it provides home to many animals and insects like ants, earthworms and rats. Students, topsoil is required to maintain lawns as well as gardens. And when we build a home, we always search for topsoil to ensure a healthy lawn. Now come along. Number 2 is subsoil. This layer is found below the topsoil. This layer is harder than the topsoil. The soil of this layer contains some pieces of rock. Students, just under the topsoil lies another layer is called subsoil. It is comparatively harder and compact than topsoil. It is lighter in color than the topsoil as there is less humus in this layer. Now come along. Number 3 is weathered parent material. Underline word parent material and write its meaning: material from which soil is formed. This layer contains rock pieces mixed with larger rock particles. Students, this is the 3rd layer of the soil just below the subsoil. It is mostly rocky but slightly broken down into small rock pieces. Students, now the last layer of soil is bedrock. This is the solid rock below the weathered parent material. Students, the bottom layer is several feet below the earth's surface. The bedrock is made up of a large solid mass of rock. Now students, I hope you all have understood about the 4 layers of soil. These are topsoil, number 2 is subsoil, number 3 weathered parent material, number 4 is bedrock. Students, topsoil is an important layer of soil. Now through an activity, let us find out what is topsoil made up of. Now students, take some topsoil from the garden and put it in a glass jar. Number 2, pour some water into the jar. Number 3, mix water and soil well with a stick. Number 4, allow it to stand for some time. Students, now what do you see? Now students, After some time, you will see 4 layers in the jar. Number 1 is on the top you will find twigs, dead leaves, etc. floating. This is called humus. This layer is important because it contains a lot of minerals required for plants to grow. Now, number 2 is clay. The next layer is of muddy water containing very fine particles, and this layer is called clay, and it is used by potters. Number 3 is sand. You will find next layer with particles bigger than those of clay. This layer is sand, and this is the third layer of topsoil. And the last is gravel. At the bottom you will find small pieces of rocks and stones. This layer is called gravel. And students, gravel is a mixture of loose pieces of rocks and particles of sand and clay. Gravel particles do not hold any water between them. Now students, I hope you all will be able to draw and label the different layers of topsoil. Number 1 is humus. Number 2 is clay. Number 3 is sand, and the last bottom part is gravel. Now let's revise. First question is, what is topsoil made up of? Topsoil is made up of humus, clay, sand and gravel. Second question is, why humus is an important part of soil? Humus, fertile layer, is an important part of soil as it is rich in organic matter. Students, tomorrow I will continue with the next topic. Till then, read the chapter, revise questions and also draw the different layers of topsoil on your copy.